Hello everyone, welcome to Pratibha Virtual Classes. In this session we learn about the expression evaluation using the stack. The topics we will learn about this is what is the expression, expression types or notations for the expression, and converting expressions using the stack from one form to another form. Expressions. The most frequent application of stack is the expression evaluation or arithmetic expression evaluation. Okay, the arithmetic expression is made of operands, operators and delimiters, and this expression is the collection of operators and operands which represents a specific value. Operator is the symbol which performs a particular task like arithmetic operator or logical operation or conditional operation. Okay, and operands are the values on which the operators can perform the tasks. Here we use the operands can be the direct value or variable or address of memory locations. These can be used as the operands. Expression types are different notations related to the arithmetic expressions. The way to write the arithmetic expression is known as the notation. Arithmetic expression can be written in three different ways but equivalent notations. That is without changing the essence or output of an expression. Okay, based on the operation type, these can be divided into three types. That is the infix notation, prefix notation and postfix notation. Prefix notation also known as the Polish notation. Postfix notation also known as the reverse Polish notation. Infix notation. In infix expression or infix notation, operator is used in between the operands like this. A and B are the operands and plus is the operator. The general structure of an infix expression is operand 1, operand 2, operator and operand 2. Okay, this infix notation is easy for humans to read, write and speak, but these are not well with computing devices. Okay, and also the algorithm to process infix notation could be difficult and costly in terms of time and space. The example for infix notation is A minus B plus C. A, B, C are the operands, minus and plus are the operators, which is in between the operands. Next is the prefix notation or Polish notation. In this, operator is used before the operands. That is the prefix of operator. So we call this as the prefix notation. Operands follow the operator. Okay. In this notation, operator is prefixed. That is plus AB. That is operator is written ahead of operands. This example plus AB is written in infix form is A plus B. Okay, the general structure is operator, operand 1 and operand 2. This notation is also known as the Polish notation. And postfix notation or reversed Polish notation. In this, operator is used after operands. So, operator follows the operands. Okay. That is, example is AB plus. The infix form of this is A plus B. The general structure of this is operand 1, operand 2 and operator. Okay. This is also known as the reversed Polish notation. AB plus. AB are the operands, plus is the operator. And every expression can be represented using all these three types of infix notation, prefix notation and postfix notation. And we can convert expressions from one form to another like infix to prefix, infix to postfix and prefix to postfix and vice versa. Okay. converting the expressions using the stack. To convert expressions from infix expression to postfix or prefix, we can use the following procedure. First, we have to find all the operators in the given infix expression. And next, find the order of operators evaluated according to their operator precedence. Next, convert each operator into required type expression, that is either the postfix or prefix in the same order. This is the precedence of operators or prefix of priority of operators. The order of operations is the parentheses, brackets and braces has the highest priority among the all operators used in the expressions, and exponent and radical is the next highest preference, and multiplication and division has the next highest, and plus and addition and subtraction has the lowest among all these operations. If the expression consists multiplication as well as division, then first multiplication is performed and next division. Like that, if the expression consists the plus and minus, that is addition and subtraction, then addition is performed first and next subtraction is performed. Okay, here we know that we perform the infix to postfix conversion using the stack. For this, we have to follow the following steps. First, read all the symbols one by one from left to right in the given infix expression. Okay, first we have to read. Next, if the reading symbol is operand, then directly print it to the result, that is the output. If the reading symbol is the left parenthesis, that left parenthesis is to be pushed into the stack. If the reading symbol is right parenthesis, then pop all the contents of stack until respective left parenthesis is popped and print each popped symbol to the result. Okay. Next, if the reading symbol is operator, either that may be the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. What it may be, then push it onto the stack. However, first pop the operator which are already on the stack that have higher or equal precedence. Okay, then current operator is a current operator and print it to the result. Okay, when we are pushing operators and parentheses, all are pushed into the stack. Okay, when we are pushing the operators into the stack, we have to check the precedence is that has the highest or equal priority. Okay, then only we can push. If it has the lowest priority, then we have to pop them. Highest priority, then we have to pop them and write into the stack. Okay, this is the given example expression a plus b into c minus d. This is the infix. This is to be converted into the postfix. The resultant postfix is ab plus cd minus star. Okay, this is the process to be done using the stack. Okay, initially the stack is empty, the result is also the empty. The scan element or reading character from the infix expression first is the left parenthesis. Then push that left parenthesis into the stack and the result is empty. Next is read element character is A. When we found the operand, then no operation is performed and A is directly written into the result. Okay, and next read character is plus. Plus is the operator which is to be pushed. Before pushing into the stack, we have to check the priority of the existing operator, which is the top element, that is the left parenthesis, and left plus has the lowest priority than that. So we have to push them into the stack. Okay, next read character is B and no operation is performed. B is directly written into the output. Next read character is right parenthesis. Then we have to pop all elements till the till we reach the left parenthesis. The top element popped first is the plus, that is written to the plus, and left parenthesis which is popped and removed. Next reading character is star, that is and now the stack is empty, so we can push that into the stack. The result is AB plus. Next is the left parenthesis, so push that into the stack which has the highest priority. Then the result is no change, AB plus. Next scan element or reading character is the C. No operation is performed, C directly written in the result. Now the result is AB plus C. Next scan element or reading character is the minus. Minus has the lower priority than the left parenthesis, so that is to be pushed. Okay, the result is AB plus C. Next scan element is D. No operation is performed because it is the operand, so the result is AB plus CD. Okay, written directly to the result. And next reading character is right parenthesis. So pop all elements till we reach the left parenthesis. The popped element is the minus, that is directly popped and written directly to the result, and right parenthesis which is to be removed. Now the infix expression is ended. The stack has only one element, that is the star, that is to be popped and written in the result. Now the resultant postfix expression is AB plus CD minus star. This is the evaluation of or conversion of infix to postfix using the stack. Next we can convert the infix to prefix. This is small difference. When we are converting infix to prefix, okay, this is similar to postfix, but the difference is first we have to reverse the input string before conversion and then reverse the final output string before displaying it. Okay, before conversion we have to reverse and convert that into postfix form, and before displaying the output we have to again reverse the string. Okay, for this the steps to be followed is push right parenthesis onto stack and add left to the end of the A. A is the infix expression and A to be scanned from right to left. When we are converting infix to prefix, it is to be noted that it is to be right to left. We have to read characters or scan the elements from the A. Okay, and repeat the steps 3 to 6. Okay, for each element of A until the stack is empty. Okay, if an operand is encountered, add it to the B. B is the stack output. Okay, if the right parenthesis is encountered, then push it onto the stack because we are reading from right to left. So we first found the right. Okay, it pushes until right parenthesis is pushed into the stack. If an operator is encountered, then repeatedly pop from stack and add to B. B is the result. Each operator which has same or higher precedence than the operator. The which is the operator is pushing, that is to be checked the top element of the stack and add that operator to the stack. Okay, if the left parenthesis is encountered, then pop the elements from the stack until it found the right parenthesis and add it to the B. Okay, we have to pop the elements from the stack until left parenthesis is encountered and remove the left parenthesis, and until the expression completes we have to continue. Okay, this is the example in given infix expression. First we have to reverse the infix expression and make every left as the right parenthesis and right as the left parenthesis. Okay, convert that into the postfix form, and next that is to be reverse the expression which we got the as the prefix expression. Okay, this is the example of infix to postfix, prefix. Okay, this is the reversed expression. Okay, we have to read elements from right to left. Okay, okay, this is the infix expression. We are here, first we have to reverse the expression, then convert to postfix form. When we are converting to postfix, we have to read from left to right only. Okay, we after that we can reverse that and display it as the prefix expression. Okay, the first scan element is the phi, that is the operand that is directly written into the output. Next scan element is caret, that is the exponent. So exponent is pushed into the stack, the operation performed is the push. And next scan element is E, operand, so that is to be written to the output. Next scan element is the plus. Okay, plus is checked with the already existing or top element of the stack, that is the exponent. Plus has the lowest priority than this. So we have to push them if it consists the highest or equal priority. It is the lowest. So exponent is popped and returned to the output, and plus is pushed. So the operations performed is the pop and push. And next scan element is D. So directly D to be written to the output. Next scan element is multiplication, that is the star. Star is checked with the plus, which has the equal priority. Okay, highest priority. So which is to be pushed into the stack. The operation performed is the push. And next scan element is the left parenthesis. So left parenthesis is pushed into the stack. The operation is push. Next scan element is the C, that is directly written into the output. Next scan element is exponent. Exponent is directly pushed because it is the equal priority that has the left parenthesis. Okay, next scan element is B. Okay, B is directly written to the output. And next scan element is plus. Plus is direct checked with the exponent, which has the lowest priority. So exponent is popped and returned to the output. And next we have to push the plus. So we perform the pop and push operations. Next scan element is A. So we directly write into the output. Next we have the right parenthesis. Okay, now we have to pop the all elements till we reach the left parenthesis. So plus is popped and print into the output, and left parenthesis reached. Okay, next the infix expression is ended. Then we have to pop one by one and write into the result. Star is popped and written into the output, and plus is popped. The all elements are popped. The expression is this. This is reversed, and the resultant is the prefix form of the given infix expression. Okay, next is the evaluating the postfix expression using the stack. For this we have to perform the steps. First we have to read all the symbols one by from left to right in the given postfix expression. If the reading symbol is operand, then push it onto the stack. If the reading symbol is operator, then perform two pop operations and store the two popped operands in two different variables, operand 1 and operand 2, and then perform the reading symbol operation using the operand 1 and operand 10, then push the result back into the stack. Okay, finally perform a pop operation and display the popped value as the final result. Here we are evaluating. So we are popping the operands and performing the operation. Okay, this is the given infix expression. Okay, this is the postfix expression of this infix expression. We have to evaluate this postfix expression. Okay, initially no reading symbol, stack is empty and evaluated part is nothing. Okay, the first read element is 5. So 5 is the read element, so push 5 into the stack. Next scan element is 3. So 3 is pushed into the stack. The top element is 3. The result is nothing. Next scan element is plus. Plus is the operator. When we scan or read the plus element, then we have to pop the top two elements from the stack. That value, first top element is value 1, second top element is value 2, that is value 1, 3 and 5. Then result is value 2 plus value 1. So 5 plus 3 becomes the 8 and the result 8 is pushed again into the stack. Okay, next reading element is the 8. So 8 is pushed. Now the top element is the 8. The result is 5 plus 3. Next scan element is 2. That is 2. 2 is pushed. Okay, now the top element is 2. Next scan element is minus. Minus is the subtraction. So pop the two elements. Value 1 is the 2 and value 2 is the 8. Now the result is value 2 minus value 1. That is the 8 minus 2. The result is 6, that is pushed into the stack. The result is 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 into 8. 5 plus 3, 8 minus 2. Okay. Next scan element is the star. That is the multiplication. So pop the two elements, that is the 6 is the value 1, 8 is the value 2. We have to multiply the value 2 into value 1, that is the 8 into 6. Okay, then the result is 48, that is to be pushed. Okay, now the expression is ended. So result is popped, that is 48. Okay, the 48 is the result of this expression. This is the infix form and this is the postfix form. Like this we can evaluate the expression using the stack. As in the summary, we learn what is the expression and what are notations, that is the infix notation, prefix notation and postfix notation, and we also done the conversions from one form to another form, that is infix to postfix and infix to prefix, and in the end we evaluated the postfix expression using the stack. Okay, thank you one and all. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay.